Have you ever felt a connection beyond the physical? Beyond the tangible, we are more than just flesh and bone. Every thought, every heartbeat, every breath generates an electromagnetic field. This isn't just metaphysical, it's rooted in physics. Our bodies operate on electrical impulses, creating a dynamic field of energy around us. In the depths of our brain, billions of neurons communicate through electrical signals. The pineal gland, often known as the third eye, is a pivotal player in this electromagnetic orchestra, influencing our perception and intuition.